Hello everyone, in today's video we'll see more about the CodeIgniter 4 and we'll implement a small application using this framework. So CodeIgniter 4 is the latest version of CodeIgniter framework designed to be a simple yet elegant toolkit for developers who need a full featured web application framework, whether you are building small projects or large enterprise application. So let us talk about the key features of CodeIgniter 4. The first is the performance. CodeIgniter 4 is known for its exceptional performance. It's lightweight and optimized for speed, making it a great choice for developer who needs fast and efficient framework. Second is the flexibility. CodeIgniter 4 is extremely flexible. It allows you to use it in a variety of ways, whether you prefer a traditional MVC structure or you want to implement something more customized as your need. So third one is the security. With the built-in protection against common threat like CSRF and cross-site scripting, CodeIgniter 4 ensures that your application are secure out of the box. Then the documentation. So the documentation of CodeIgniter 4 is comprehensive and well organized, making it easy to get started and find the information you need as you go. So now let us talk about getting started with the CodeIgniter 4. So the first step is the installation. So installing CodeIgniter 4 is very easy. So you have to go to the official website. So CodeIgniter 4. So click on the official website. Here you can see the installation option. Then click on the manual installation. If you scroll down, there is an option latest version. So click on it. GitHub repository will be opened. So if you scroll down, so there is a option called asset. Here you have to click on the source code. So the zip file will be downloaded. So now basically the CodeIgniter 4 is a PHP framework. You need a server to run the PHP code. So you can use any one server, XAMPP or WAMP server. So I have been using the XAMPP server, and you have to start the Apache server in it. So as you have downloaded the zip file, so you have to copy that zip file inside the C drive. In C drive you'll be having a folder called XAMPP. So inside XAMPP there is a folder called h3docs. Inside the h3docs you have to, if you want, you can create a folder or you can directly paste the zip file and you have to extract that file. Then after extracting file, so you have to rename it with your project folder name. Then open the project folder and type cmd. So you have to open that folder into the VS Code. So type code dot, so it will open that directory into the VS Code, and same way you have to open the, so same way you have open the command prompt to run the program. So now, so as you can see, the CodeIgniter 4 uses the MVC architecture, that is the modern view controller. So we have each component has each folder. So first is the view. So in view folder you can create your design. So that is the UI. So as you can see, already there is a PHP file, that is the welcome message. So this is the HTML file. Then for controller there is a home.php file which will control the your HTML file. So here welcome message. Then for routing there is a file called router inside the config folder. So if you scroll down, there is a file called routes.php. So this file will handle the routing. So let us run the program. So to run the program, we will type the command php spark serve. So click on the URL. So our application is running successfully. So now we'll create another component. So another route. This is a root route. So we'll create a home route to see a simple to check the web application. So go to the VS Code. So let us create about page. So click on the view. So right click new file. So we will create a new view for about page. So about page dot php. Here we'll write the HTML code. So this is home page. So we have created the view. Now we have to create the controller. So click on the controller folder, right click, go to the file and create a about controller. So about dot php. So inside this we have to write the code. So first, so we have to mention that code is in PHP. So less than question mark PHP. Then mention the namespace. So namespace is app slash controllers. Then we'll be creating a class called about. So about, which will extend the base controller. So inside this I will be creating a method called about, in which that method will handle the view, about view. So to create the method, so we have to we have to give the modifier that is public, then the keyword function, and the function name is about. So this function is a type of string, so we have to give colon string, so it will return a string type. Return view. So inside this we have to give the view name. So we have already created, that is view about page. So we have created the controller also. Now we have to configure this controller with the routing. So for routing we have to go to config app. Inside that config, then there is a file routes. There is a file called routes. So here we have to mention, so $routes get. Inside this we are giving a route about slash about, and we'll specify the first we'll specify the controller, that is about, then double colon, and we'll give the method name inside that controller. So that is the about. So this we will be putting into a single quote. So we have configured the route also. Now let us check whether it is working or not. So go to the Google, refresh the page. So type route about. So as you can see, we are getting the response. So this is how we create a simple application using the CodeIgniter 4. So in today's video, we have given a quick introduction about the CodeIgniter 4, and we covered the key features, installations, and built-in, and we have built a simple application. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.